Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a little, what should I call it? First impressions, I guess you could say, on the FreeTress Lace Crochet Wig Cap. I picked up this wig cap from my local beauty supply store to make a crochet wig cap for the spring. So a little background on the wig cap. It has two different wig net sizes in one cap. So I do have the wig cap on a mannequin head already. So there's two different net sizes. There is a bigger net size on the side to make it easier for interlocking or crocheting the hair through the net. And then it has the smaller net size from the back coming all the way to the front. And this is created to have a more natural, flawless finish to the wig. It has a comfortable elastic band that has no slip. As well, it does come with 3 combs. So you have one comb right here where the lace is. I don't know if you can see that. And then you have another comb right here on the side. And then the last comb, of course, is at the bottom. So with the wig combs, you guys know how wig combs work. They just help your wigs be more stable on the head so that you don't feel like it's going to fly off if a gust of wind decides to blow by, that kind of thing. The wig cap itself, I picked it up for, I think it was regularly $8.99, and I picked it up on sale for $6.99. So if you convert that into US funds, it's probably about $4 to $5, which I think is perfect. I've never used a wig cap like this before, so I'm really excited to actually try it out. So for the lace that you can see here, the lace is 5 inches long and it's a right side parting. I normally wear my side partings on the left hand side, so I'm a little, I don't know how it's gonna look because my comfort is with my hair flipped, like parted on the left and flipped on the right. So what I was actually thinking, but still can't do, I was thinking of actually flipping it over, but then you have the lace like this on the top, unless, I don't know. I'm gonna try and figure it out so that I can somehow wear the lace on the left-hand side instead of the right, and then I'll let you know. If you want me to actually make the wig on camera, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely do that. I think regardless, I'm going to make my crochet wig on camera just because I've never done it before. I mean, there's a million crochet wig making tutorials on YouTube and they're basically all the same. If you watched one, you've watched them all, but whatever. It's going on my channel. It's something that I haven't done, so I'm going to do. That's about it. If you are new to doing crochet wigs, if you don't already know, they're a great protective style for the winter or any season for that matter, especially if you're transitioning from, let's say, like relaxed hair and you've done the big chop and you are rocking your natural hair and you just want to switch it up. Crochet wigs are the perfect way to switch it up. Normally when I do crochet wig, I just braid my hair any old way, depending on if, well, I can't say that I braid it any old way. Depending on where my part is, that's how I gauge how to braid my hair. But because this is a crochet wig cap and it has a lace on the right hand side, you can essentially braid your hair any way that you want to, and then just make your wig, slip it on, and then you're done. And then when you get home at night, you can take it off and tie your head down and go to bed and do it all again the next day. So that's why I like wearing crochet wigs, because of the convenience and it's kind of like doing a wash and go. You wash and you go. You stick the wig on and you go. You come back home, you take it off, and like I said, you do it again. So I'll definitely record me making my wig on camera for you. my technique is not really different than anybody else's, except for when it comes to where the part's going to be. I like to kind of, what do they call it? Is it called tree braids? Or the tree technique? I don't know. Anyways, whatever the technique is, I like to tie mine off as well. But again, whatever. I'll show you in the tutorial of me making my wig. But other than that, that's it. Again, this is going to be a really cool thing. This is genius. I really hope it looks as natural as it may, or as it seems to say that it will be. But in any case, I will try it out and let you guys know. But until then, thanks for watching. To all my new subscribers, welcome. To all my old subscribers, thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.